All right, Colin, ready? Wow!
Yeah!
Good job, Thomas. It's raining. Are you driving? Oh, and honk the horn. Beep, beep. Whoa! Beep, beep.
Whoa.
Yeah, use your feet. You gotta pretend like you're walking.
Yeah, can you walk it? Walk it with your feet. Yeah.
Oh, good, Tom.
There you go. Walk it with your feet.
You driving? Oh my goodness.
There you go. There you go.
Good job, Tom.
Yay!
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, your door is shut.
Alright, you ready? Here we go.
Daddy's gonna push you. Drive, Tom. Honk the horn. Beep, beep. Oh, don't get me, Thomas. Yay!
Whoa.
Good job, Tom. You want to get out? All right. Yeah, you can climb out.
Go ahead, climb. I'll hold it still for you.
Are you stuck in the truck?